my first time in the state of Montana. It's a big race. I think the race is fun. It's wide open. It's totally different than a lot of the other stuff we do.
Course is, it's pretty fast. I really like the way this course runs, and I think it'll suit my driving style pretty well.
That's probably the hardest the car has been pushed in quite a long time. Ended up first in class with qualifying and I think 10th overall, and that's exactly where we want to be.
No, it was an awesome day still. Car worked amazing other than the brakes, and Martin did a terrific job. Fun course. All the competitors were great. We put up a hell of a fight, and I don't know where we finished, but I think we're up in the top 3 for sure.